In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to pay extra when Lidl gift card balance is low. Let's get started. If your Lidl gift card balance is lower than the total cost of your shopping, you can simply pay the remaining amount using another accepted payment method at checkout. Shop as usual and take your items to the checkout. Present your Lidl gift card to the cashier before making payment. The cashier will apply the available balance from the gift card to your purchase. If the gift card does not cover the full amount, you will be asked to pay the remaining balance. Complete the payment using another accepted method such as debit card, credit card, or any other payment option accepted at your local Lidl store. Once the remaining amount is paid, you will receive your receipt showing both gift card payment and the additional payment method used. Keep in mind that Lidl gift cards cannot be reloaded or topped up. If the balance runs out, you will need to purchase a new gift card for future shopping. And that's it. This way you can easily pay extra when Lidl gift card balance is low. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.